Where's the dot, Wendy? Where's the dot? Can I make it disappear over by the stairs? Make it disappear by the stairs. I can't follow you, so it's going so fast. I'm just trying to find it. Where's the dot, Wendy? Where'd it go? There it is. Ah, can't keep up with you. You go too fast. Back up to the thing here. Can I make it disappear on the bed once she gets up? She's not going to get up now? She's not getting up on the bed. Usually she gets up on the bed. Oh, there she goes. Can I make it disappear? Make it. Ah, until she gets up though. Okay, turn it off. Where's the dot, Wendy? She's all happy. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Wendy? Where is it? Where's your dot? Where's your dot?
Oh, look, it's there.
I'll make it stop when she's going in circles. Make it stop. So she goes. Alright, we're going to turn it off now. She's going to keep wondering where it is. Say bye, Winnie. Let me get a zoom in on her. There we go. Hey.